Ladies and gentlemen, let us all talk about dirt is good. Dirt is below earth. Dirt is everywhere under our feet. Soil top layer of dirt. Plant and tree grow in soil. Help them grow and strong. Mineral, water, and air. These are for plants. Do you know where that things goes? That plants and animals turn into soil. They rot and change. Many creatures live in soil. Earthworms dig in soil. They make big pieces smaller. This makes space for air and water. It's important to save soil. Water, wind can take it away. Without soil, plants can't grow. Roots hold soil down. Trees, soil need each other. Thank you for listening.